Why am I laying here with some other girl? Yeah, sure, she's beautiful, but she's not my world. Don't give me butterflies like I know you would. And practice doesn't always make perfect sense. When I'm with her, all I think about is our last chance. I know that I have to go. Cross your fingers, girl, you never know. And I'm sorry, Georgia, I can't sleep away. And I'm sorry, Georgia, I still love her. Know that you'll understand. And I'm sorry, Georgia, this is the end. Yeah. Why did I lead her on when all I want is you?
Started out with a kiss, and it went a little something like this. You're gonna start 11 steps behind me. One day you'll catch up, and we'll fall so in love. And finally I will get to tell you that you are the one for me, boy. You give me butterflies from my head to my feet, and I knew from day one that you were something special. You are the one for me, boy. You give me butterflies from my head to my feet, and I knew from day one that you were something special.
Yeah, grab a toy, grab some.
I did try to tie them. Some kids are going to be so happy. We heard this morning you were calling out for toys for older children. We went out and got toys for older children as well. We had donations from Mastermind in London. 4222 had some retirees that went out and went shopping. It was awesome.
Wow.
Awesome event.
That's just unbelievable.
This is our way of giving back to the community. We see the need in the schools every day, and this is a way that our members, the support staff of the Thames Valley District School Board, can give back to our communities.
I don't even think we could say thank you enough. This is
kidding.
Awesome. Thank you so, so much.
God bless and Merry Christmas.
Blessed.
He's performed for Prince Andrew and former U.S. President Bill Clinton. Ladies and gentlemen, Tim Lewis on 104.7 Heart FM.
Thank you very much. I think I loved you the moment that your eyes met mine. I'm dreaming of you every morning, noon, and night. Ooh, you make my heart start because of you. When we get together, well, it's beating for two. I want to see you every day now. I wanna tease you through the night. I wanna hold your hand when we're out. The moment we're alone, for this romantic spark to ignite. Let's turn out the light.
Here she is, Lori Nuic, live on 104.7 Heart FM.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Hang on the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night, and this Christmas we're
a very special Christmas for me. Yeah, la 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 da la 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 da la da la la da la da da. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheering you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes outshine the town, they do. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Yeah, la 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 da 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 da.
And again, a huge thanks to our friends at the Woodstock Fire Department who have really been our shoulder, our crutch through this all. And we're looking forward to having you guys play Santa and the Elves when we all deliver the toys next week.
We're looking forward to that, and the Chief and I would like to put out a word of thanks to the firefighters. They've been all over this program with enthusiasm, a lot of energy, and we're very proud of them.
And I just personally want to say a big thank you to Lisa Woods, who's here, of course, with us, and Paul Graham, who, the two of them from the fire department, along with Scott Tagley, the three of them stepped up and helped us out really big. And I know Paul's working right now, but if you're listening, Paul, thank you so much for all your help.
I'd love to see Scottie Taylor, 6'10" of him in a little elf suit. Come on up and sit on Santa's lap.
I'm going to see if I can find that.